Hello and welcome to Autodesk Viewer. When you open the link to your project, this will be the home page, which you can reopen and reorient yourself to again by clicking the home button here in the lower left hand of the screen. On this home page, first you will be able to see the 3D view, which is the view we're in here, selected. You can also view all of the sheets by clicking on the left-hand menu. These may or may not be filled out depending on what stage of the project we are in. Back in the 3D view, you can also see here up the upper right, there is a button to take a screenshot, as well as print view and the share button to share the link with other people. Next, on the center menu, we have the fit command, which will help zoom in the project. Next item is pan, which allows you to click and hold to drag the project in any direction. Both the left hand and right hand clicks operate the same way. The next button is zoom, which allows you to click with the left button and either click and pull downwards to zoom out, or click and pull upwards to zoom in. The right hand click remains in the pan command. The next item is orbit, which allows you to left hand click and hold to drag yourself around the model. Right hand click remains in pan. The next item is first person mode, which operates similar to a video game, with either the WASD keys or the arrow keys controlling your movement around the model. The Q and E keys, which can lift you up into the air or bring you lower, and can be used to navigate to different floors or roofs. Shift and one of the direction keys allows you to move faster. Double click teleports you to a new location, which can be useful to navigate around the model quickly and to place your character onto the ground near the model. Clicking and dragging with the left key allows you to look around, and the plus and minus keys allow you to increase or decrease the speed of your character as you move around the model. When you first enter first person mode, it will locate your character out in the sky. Use the double click to teleport yourself to the location. Now on the ground, clicking with the left click and pulling upwards moves my character view upwards, and clicking and holding down moves my character view downwards. While in first person mode, you can walk through walls. Occasionally, as is shown here, the rendering speed will not be as fast as you navigate, so you may have some delays until you stop moving, where the items will be fully rendered in. Holding E or Q can lift you up above an object, and then releasing will allow your character to drop down. Your character model also should be able to pass up and down stairs. The next button is the measure command, which allows you to select points on the model and then click again to get measurements. As shown here, it can sometimes be difficult to get an exact measurement, so if you're looking for something precise, please reach out to us and ask. The clear button will remove any measured points. The section button allows you to open up specific sections which can be used to cut into the model to allow you for a better view of inside. Using the X or the Y plane will cut the model vertically, and clicking and dragging on these commands allows you to adjust where that cut occurs. The Z-plane is used to cut the model horizontally and can be very useful for viewing the floor plan in a 3D view. Using the orbit command with the Z-plane section can be a very good way to observe the distances between objects. To leave the section view, click Clear, or you can just click Orbit. Double-clicking on the section button also will revert any changes. Markup can be used to send us any comments on the model. Use the pencil, arrow, cloud, or text icons to add markups onto the drawing. Clicking Save will save the view, which you can share. I hope this viewer tutorial was helpful. Please be aware that the viewer link does not automatically update as we make changes in your Revit model. Any changes will need to be re-uploaded and will be provided in a new viewer link as the project progresses.